We are pleased to present today a new exclusive from Fawn Pole Real Estate. In the Green Island area, next to Chioggia, the small Venice, this penthouse is situated within a beachfront complex with 2 swimming pools. The beating heart of this residence is its spectacular terrace, a true open-air retreat. Here, you'll have the opportunity to fully embrace outdoor living, making the most of the space to create personalized areas with multiple sea views. Inside, the apartment boasts a bright living area, an open kitchen, and an additional terrace. The master bedroom features a private bathroom and an exclusive terrace. Another full bathroom with a shower serves the other 2 bedrooms, which share a 3rd terrace. The fully equipped beach is directly accessible on foot from the condominium complex. For more information or to book a visit, please do not hesitate to contact us.